Hi.
How are you? How are you feeling, sir? Looking great.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank
last
you.
year also you had come
Yes,
and this year also.
that's
How
right.
you experience these 2 years or
Well, feeling this year is very, very special because we're here to celebrate grandfather's 100th year centenary celebrations, and Ify is playing Devdas, one of his iconic films. It's been a very special year for the family. We've been celebrating through various activities through the year, and now closing it with this is we couldn't have asked for anything more special than this. So it's a lovely moment for all of us, and looking forward to the festivities.
thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Magnificent what the National Film Heritage Society has done to restore this film and create an opportunity for audiences to watch a restored film, and they've done such a beautiful job. We're going to watch Devdas. We watched it in Hyderabad also. I really must congratulate them and NFDC for taking up this initiative. They would have rescued and restored so many classic films, and that is definitely protecting our heritage.
You're coming with the whole family, so what is the experience?
It's a great honor, you know, when Government of India honors and respects, and the Ministry of Information Broadcasting honors and respects my father-in-law Akkineni Nageshwara Rao and so many stalwarts of his time. It really is reassuring and encouraging for the film industry itself. So we're all here to say thank you and to support.
Thank you, ma'am.